Well, my lovely husband took the kids to school this morning and brought back Starbucks. So I got my usual sous vide egg bites, the Gruyere and bacon, and I don't know what I got here. I assume it's a chestnut praline. Yes, chestnut praline latte. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. It's been another work day, mostly boring. I did run out at lunchtime to do a little shopping, and got myself a little bit of lunch at the McDonald's, and it took me, I swear, at least half an hour to get through the drive-thru, and it wasn't even that long. It's the worst McDonald's drive-thru experience I've had like in a really, really, really long time. There's a Chick-fil-A next door, which had a really, really, really long line, but I probably could have gotten through there much faster. But anyway, it's a rainy day. I'm feeling pretty tired. But I had gone grocery shopping on Sunday, and one of the things I picked up was some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So I'm about ready to cook them. I cut them up into like nugget size, bite-sized pieces, and I have them on a baking sheet with some nonstick aluminum foil to try to keep the pan from getting too gross. Marinated them in some store-bought Korean marinade, just randomly. My daughter made some rice. She can make it in the rice cooker. It's one of the things I've taught her to do, and she does a pretty good job, so I get her to do that every time. And when I was at the store, I picked up an Asian chopped salad, and that's going to be dinner. It's going to be pretty easy and very low effort tonight, which is what I always like on toward the end of the week when it's been really, well, I mean, it's the holiday season, so it's always busy. But when I'm just not feeling it, not feeling cooking, this is one of the things. I will link where I got the idea to do this with chicken thighs down below, because I got it from another YouTube video. So if you are interested, he'll show you exactly what he does. But yeah, that's dinner, and we'll see you in just a bit to taste some scotch. Okay, we're at the end of the night. It's time to taste the scotch. Tonight, we have a Highland 12-year-old single malt from Blair Athol. I'm sure I'm not saying that correctly, because those Gaelic type names, they don't conform to the same rules as English. Let's just say that. It was in bourbon barrels, and we should taste orchard fruit, vanilla, and sweet malt. It's 43%, so kind of low on the there we go, on the ABV, on the lower end of what we've seen. It's a light one. 12 years, that's not bad. It definitely has the sweet smell. I like this one. It's definitely sweet. Doesn't burn too bad, which is good. Does feel warm. I get some fruit, a little bit like a wine. I'm not sure about orchard, but it's sweet, a little vanilla. I'm trying to identify the fruit. My first thought was a wine-like taste, but just, grapes. But I like this one. So I'm gonna go finish it. Glad you're watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you like, what you don't like, and hit the subscribe button and come back and watch me tomorrow, we hope.